Salve, salve, galera do canal Só Acredito Vendo. Meu nome é Genilson Tavares. Bem-vindo a mais um vídeo do canal. E hoje eu trago para vocês a história de um garoto da Jamaica que vive sofrendo ataques de espíritos demoníacos. Vocês terão oportunidade de ver o vídeo e tirar as suas próprias conclusões. Se você ainda não é inscrito, inscreva-se no canal, deixe seu like e compartilhe com seus amigos.
This 11-year-old boy claims he is being haunted by a ghost. For the past week, word of the so-called duppy has caused alarm on Martin Street in Spanish Town. The family says they've tried praying for the boy and taking him to church, but the ghost would only follow them inside, causing havoc, pulling the boy and throwing objects wherever he goes. In the neighborhood Wednesday night to witness some of the events that have residents convinced of an otherworldly presence. Watch closely and judge for yourself.
Right now. Yeah. Yeah.
They say that's how it's been for the past several days. The boy says the ghost is actually a friend who died 4 years ago. He claims the friend suddenly started appearing to him wearing a white top, black pants and a black watch. It's been nothing but chaos for the family and neighbors.
Him licking him down, him drawing him flinging the figurine, him fling the slippers, he lick me in my back, he lick me in my temple.
Watch again as our news crew filmed the second incident similar to the accounts we were given. This time, the boy claims he sees the ghost standing near the wall and goes over to stand next to it.
Touch her? Tell me when I touch her. Am I touch her? Am I touch her foot? In the roll it. Yeah, roll it.
So, is the Martin Street duppy real, or are the events the expert acting of a mischievous child? Kalila Enriquez.